Right now, local cannabis dispensaries throughout North Carolina are on high alert. Law enforcement has been conducting more and more raids lately.
Just this week, a sting operation targeting more than 100 different vape stores near Fayetteville found many were selling products with much higher levels of THC than allowed by law. A similar operation was conducted in Statesville over the summer.
Now, these raids are all about keeping only legal products on store shelves, but many say they're still confused about what exactly legal means.
WCNC Charlotte's Miles Harris joins us with more on this. Miles, you talked to some dispensaries today. What are they telling you?
Yeah, well, Nick and Vanessa, a lot of these dispensaries throughout North Carolina, they are a growing concern. Even though they say they're playing by the rules, by the things that they are stacking on the shelves, they're worried that law enforcement can just bust through their doors at any time.
This is a fear that we all share in this industry of this very thing happening.
Michael Sims with Crown Town Cannabis admits running his business has come with more hurdles as law enforcement, including the DEA, have been doing more raids targeting dispensaries.
A lot of these raids stem from selling to underage children or minors, and then also selling products that have no clear chain of custody.
Sims stresses some businesses aren't playing by the rules.
There are a few bad players in the industry that are giving us all a bad name.
And selling products to underage kids, along with the lack of proper testing.
So after we roll up,
there's another hurdle.
The issues we're having is the lack of framework and regulation around this industry.
Our challenges are unique.
Cannabis attorney Natasha Andrews says most of the problems are around basic knowledge of the industry, from the consumer to the state legislator.
Some of the challenge really are rooted in a lack of education. And I mean a lack of education for the general public, for the consumer, for the dispensary owner, for law enforcement, all the way up to the top in terms of those in legislation and making our rules and laws.
So how can these businesses protect themselves?
Be vocal and be active in not only educating your community, but educating those that are in the position to serve and to lead. Be very vocal and very aware of the changes taking place.
Hemp business owners like Sims hopes to get law enforcement, hemp owners, and the community all with the same understanding with what's legal and what's not on their shelves.
We need the trust of our customers and the trust of our community to trust in us to know that we are getting the absolute best products we can get you that are safe for consumption and that we have clear chain of custody.
So, Miles, how are dispensaries allowed to operate in North Carolina legally?
Yeah, Vanessa, that's a really good question here. And under the North Carolina Farm Bill from 2018, any cannabis product that's sourced from hemp with less than 0.3% Delta-9 THC concentration, well, that's allowed. So even though it may smell and even look like other products that are considered illegal, it is legal in the eye of the law. Nick and Vanessa.
Miles, thank you so much.